Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use AI Framing Master for better photos on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. So first, we want to open up the camera and make sure that we are in photo. Here, this button right up top where we have a grid is called the AI Framing Master. We're going to click agree and continue here. As you guys can see, when you capture landscape photos, AI will intelligently recognize and recommend the optimal composition roles. So here we have the portrait, and it will also recognize everything and it will give us the best way of doing that. So it's recognizing the scenario. Let me put my phone, let me quickly put my phone like this. So let me put the flower right here so it is in the phone. We need to enable it again because it is optimizing the scenario. And we want to move our phone to align the dot with the middle. Now we can do the photo, and the photo looks really good, as you guys can see. So the AI Framing Master works, but it will definitely work better outdoors. So it will tell you everything that you need to do. It will set its own let's say its own camera, so it could be on 1.5, 1 or 2 depending on what you want to take a picture of, and it will basically be recognizing the scenario once you click it. So it will take around like 5 to 10 seconds, and that's how you guys can use it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.